You're not ready for fall until you learn how to make this dessert. It's creamy and full of cinnamon flavor, the kind of sweet that takes me right back to the holidays in Mexico. Stick around because today we're making a classic Mexican arroz con leche. Hola amigos, welcome back to Tex-Mex at Home. Today we're making arroz con leche, or Mexican rice pudding. It's a dessert that has been around for centuries. It was brought to Mexico from Spain, where it became a sweet treat for holidays, family gatherings, or anytime you want something delicious. It's creamy, spiced with cinnamon, and it's easier to make than you think. For more tips on how to cook this and other recipes, visit our website at texmexathome.com. Now let's get started. This recipe serves 4 to 6 people. For today we will need 1 cup of rinsed rice, 3 cups of water, 1 slice of lime peel, 2 large cinnamon sticks, 3 cups of whole milk, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a cup of dark raisins, powdered cinnamon to use at the end. Start by bringing 3 cups of water to a boil in a medium saucepan. Once it's boiling, add your rinsed rice, lime peel, and 2 large cinnamon sticks. Once it's boiling again, cover it and let it simmer for about 15 minutes until the rice is tender but still al dente. While the rice is cooking, mix your 3 milks together: whole milk, evaporated milk, and sweetened condensed milk. Add in the vanilla. Mix and warm this gently over low or medium-low heat. Be sure to stir occasionally so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Most of the water has evaporated from the rice and it's tender, so we remove the lime peel and pour in our warm milk mixture. Turn the heat to medium until it comes to a boil, then lower it to medium-low. Now stir constantly to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of our pan. Use a long spoon or spatula so you don't get burned while mixing. Cook it this way for another 15 to 20 minutes until the mixture is thick and creamy. Once it's ready, remove the cinnamon sticks and stir in 1/3 cup of raisins if you're using them. They'll plump up nicely in the hot pudding. We mix them in and let this sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Our arroz con leche is ready. Now we add a little bit of cinnamon, and there you have it, arroz con leche. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want more Tex-Mex at Home recipes, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new one. And don't forget to check out our website for more recipes. Now let's give it a try. So creamy. I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego.